Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Bonnie from Friday Night at Freddy's, but this one's going to be a sweet, I would dare to say cute version of it, okay? So it's going to be a cute version of Bonnie, kind of just the head of it, okay? So, head of him. Let's get started. It's going to be for beginners, by the way, so if you're a beginner, stick around. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a line right here for the snout of the his rabbit nose. Curve over here, the front of the snout. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna find the nose, or the top of the nose, down here, down here. It's just an upside down triangle, that's all it is. Line over here, and it's closed off. There you go. I leave a little bit there for a highlight. I go down here to the snout, I'm gonna pull a little smile back. Corner of the edge of the mouth here. Don't forget, by the way, hit the subscribe button right now if you like learning how to draw everything in different styles as well. I'm starting to incorporate that. So if you like Friday Night at Freddy's, I have the angry version, I have the normal version, I have the security breach game version. Check this channel out a lot more. I post everything about everything. They're all in 10-minute videos. So when you subscribe, what you're going to do is you're going to see the video thumbnail in your feed as you're scrolling randomly. And that's kind of it. And you can decide whether you want to watch it or not. So it kind of gives you choice. So make this the video that you subscribe on, okay? Because a lot of people will watch like 10 videos and not subscribe still. I'm going to go over here. And on this side of the mouth, I'm going to pull that and then close like that. Pull it close. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna give him buck teeth, or that rabbit mouth, and I'm gonna split it down the middle. Soft line right there, soft line right here for like sharp teeth sticking out the corner there. Now I'm gonna go over here to the eye. And the eye is going to be over here on this area. And I'm going to go here and line up. Line down here. It almost looks like an egg shape. Way different than their the normal version of them. Line across. The bottom there. Going to go over here on this side, right above the nose, to be honest. And I'm going to go curve up. Right there, same thing, curve up, curve around the side here for this one. Line across, line across. Eye here, eye here. Dot, dot in the center. That pupil. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull a line down here for the far side of the face. And he's got like a bunny face here, so I'm gonna pull that kind of side of the face over there. Gonna find underneath the mouth over here. I'll pull just a bit. Over here on this side, I'm going to pull a line down here, out. Hair. Got that bunny hairdo. So, all right. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way. The channel lives entirely on likes. Line down here. And now we're going to find the ear up. So it's going to bend upward. Up over here. Up. Go over here in the far end. Same thing. Aim forward. Go back. down. Line up here to find the inside of the rabbit ear. Draw like a line across, because there's still going to be something going on there like that. Like the robotics. Line over here. Line over here. Line across that. And maybe a line right here for the eyebrow. Go over here, the bow tie. This is like the, wow, like super nice version of him. Bom, bom, right here for the bow tie, which is pretty similar. Bom, bom, bow tie here, it's similar. Line over here, down. Line over here, down. Line over here. I realize this is a bizarre version of him, so be aware. That's the nice version of Bonnie. And that's it. I want to thank you very much, and I'll see you next time, all right? Say hi to me in the comment section. I'll talk to you later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff, about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.